As you all know, bloxfruits' new update has just dropped, and there is so many things to do. In this video, I'ma tell you everything you should know about this update. Okay, let's not waste time and start. First of all, we have the Summer Gotcha NPC. You can roll fruits with limited skins from it. But for each rolling, you need 500 Summer Gotcha tokens. For getting these tokens, you should wait for the new Storm event to spawn. Once Storm arrived, you get a message saying, "Storm has arrived." Then you should go to Tiki Island and kill these guys under the rainy clouds. As you see, their name is different, so you can find them easily. This event only lasts 10 minutes. I got 500 tokens. Let's see what fruit I roll. We are in Port Town, and this guy is the new fisherman NPC. From here, you can get the basic baits and start fishing. Also, if you wonder how to get to the new island, you should go to Tiki and talk to the submarine guy, and like this, you will reach the new island.
Inside of me, you better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets cause real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gold, always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force.